Hello, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. I don't know. Qui je la je sais, n'a regardé vidéo ça. Je dis, on va faire patatlet. I don't know what you call it in English, so anybody that watches this video that don't speak Creole, I'm sorry. Okay, I guess sweet potato with milk with sweet potato. I don't know. Listen, I don't know. So yeah, actually, I put the milk boil. I know some of people put the sweet potato boil by itself or patata boil differently. But me, I actually boil patat moya, boil patat moya na let la. But you take it like quick to yeah. So they're the gallon. So um after that I was trying to use the m'kone un pile moun kone si patate blanche seulement ça et patate qui yon ti jan qui gen mauve an dan but m'tape si patate jaune ensemble avec patate blanc pour me dire comment you but actually both of them taste good. I used both of them. It was so good and I don't know if I missed anything. That's all I remember they put in. Look at the milk's boil over. So it was just kind of a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, and that's pretty much it to be honest. That's all I use. Cinnamon, salt, sugar, sweet potato. That's it. Yeah. And you guys can see I do the little garnish with what? What is that called? Lime? No, lemon. Lime. Not lemon. Lemon is the yellow one. Lime is the green one. Lime. Um Peel the lime. I use the peel and to make it look pretty and some mint leaf. I think that's all I did. I let it boil for about I don't know. I don't remember, but I think it's 15 10 to 15 minutes. It's up to you. So I like my patat really cook all the way anyway. So and you let it boil to how you like it pretty much. But it was really good to be honest. There's the salt. I had sea salt, so I used sea salt. But you can use any other salt. It don't matter what kind of salt that you use. Just use any salt. And I do want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers and thank you for people that have been already there. And if you jump in here just because of this video, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Not gonna regret it. My plan is to get to 500 followers before they get over. Hopefully, I can get there and we'll do a giveaway. And since I did the giveaway, it's one of the person I inboxed never inboxed me back and still waiting for the response. It was two people, but I gave away one and the other person never replied back, so I don't know.